I got this I think 2 days ago. I'm fighting off a cold thing, so didn't really want to do a video with the snotty nose and everything. But anyway, let's get into this. I don't know if anyone has partaken in the AliExpress sale. You know what, it's in the greater scheme of things, it's probably not that much of a sale because it's only a couple of cents, but I think all up with the coupon I think I saved $13. $13 is $13. Right, so let's do the first one. This is from Buttercup store. Now you're gonna go plastic bags, yes. The main reason why I wanted to record this and also give my opinion on this is because if it's a good quality bag, I'm always wary of buying bags because I'm scared that they're not going to be the good quality ones. Okay, these seem quite nice. So this is for my drill storage. There I got these ones. So they're 8 by 12. So they're going to fit nicely into my storage boxes. So that's good. It was $3.62 for 100 bags. And I got 2 packets. So that's that one, and it comes from the Buttercup. What's it called again? Buttercup store. I will link it below just so you guys know. And then where is that other one? Okay, so I'm thinking this is what we got in the next package. No, it's not. It's a diamond painting. The colour me surprised. It says cross stitch. Okay, cool. So let's just have a look, see. So we've got our cut white tray, 3 placer, 2 baggies. Oh yes, awesome. So this is my custom that I had made by Homfun. Right. So I ordered this on the 31st of May and today is the 18th of June. 3 weeks. It's actually not bad considering it's a custom. They do have the elastic bands on this. I'm just going to cut it off because I can't be bothered fussing with that. Okay, right. So let's just unravel it. Very nice thicker foam roller, so I'm quite happy with that. I am going to zoom in a bit because I thought that this was a cross stitch, beaded cross stitch that I ordered. So not what I ordered. Alright. Okay. Well, I did order this, but not what I thought was coming. Okay, cool. So what I do is, this is only one sheet. And I'll show you guys the pictures in this, in a second. Ooh, this is going to be some awesome color blocking. It would be interesting to see the colors that they use, seeing as this is a flag, so you would hope that they do it correctly. I am really liking this. Let me just flatten this out and then we can have another look at it. I've always kind of been quite happy with Homfun. I've got quite a bit of their diamond paintings. So I never really have any issues with them. I do know that there are some people that just will not buy from Homfun, which is, you know, that's your prerogative. You buy from whoever you see fit. You can see the silver fern. This is all meant to be black, this is meant to be white. And then we've got the New Zealand flag, or part of the New Zealand flag. Alright, so that's as far as I'm going to feel comfortable going, because otherwise I can't get this back on. Alright, this is, oh, beautiful. I wanted to do I'm going to do a video on using that roly wheel thing. Let me just take that out, one of these. And this is going to be awesome for that. Right, so it's good. I like it. Yay! I feel better already. It's amazing how much better a diamond painting can make you feel. Yeah, received 18 June 19. Okay. This is a 30 by 40 and I paid $12.75. That's not bad for a custom. And let's see, this is what it's meant to look like. They did have a referendum, I think it's 2 or 3 years ago, on changing the flag. It's still the same flag. I really like this one, but you know what. So this is also part of my diamond paintings that will be going up at work during a holiday or a special occasion. This is for Waitangi Day. This is the Treaty of Waitangi. So as far as I understand, it is the treaty that was signed between Pākehā, which is England, the what do you call it, white folk, and the Maori. So that's Waitangi Day, and that's what we celebrate. Okay, so here we go with plastic. Not a lot of colours, which is fair enough, it's a flag. You're not going to have a lot of colours. So it's 12 colours, 9 is, I'm happy with that, that's this colour, right? The blue, I would have expected it to be a darker blue. Let me just have a look, see at the image. I would have thought that this should be a darker blue, seeing as our flag is dark blue. But, yeah, I don't know. I'll have to have a think about whether or not I'm happy with that, because I would have thought that our flag is dark blue. A very nice blue, but not the right blue, I don't think. So how many bags did we need of that? 44. That's correct. This is like a purple. See, now this is, I would have thought that it would have been something like this. I don't know if you can actually see the colour. That, you know, it's a darker blue, whereas this is very bright. So I might contact them going, okay, I love that blue, but it's not the right blue. Please send me more of the 791 so that I can complete my painting. Alright. So 13. Again, this counts as, one of these counts as 5 bags. So 5, 10, and 3. Okay, I'm just going to finish up the rest of this through that. Okay, So all the colors are here. I just want to check for interest's sake this 791 where that actually goes on the canvas. So okay, so it's just a little bit around the fern right there. This is part of texturing now. Sorry guys, just bear with me. Let me cut this off because it's gonna bug me. It's not straight, I know. It's just cutting off that bit that's torn. And get another piecey. Oh. And this is why it's good to keep those pieces that you have, because for instances like this, then you can just stick it on like that. Boom, done. Okay, right guys, so I'm mulling over this because if it was anything else I would go, you know what, it's not that bad, but this is a flag. It's got specific colors. So by the time that I'm editing this and putting this up, you guys will have a response. I'll put that up here and just let you know what I've decided doing, whether or not I'm going to go back to them and go, well, send me more of the 791 so that I can actually complete this. Okay guys. Yeah. Thank you very much for checking in. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.